Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and thorough product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom fixtures and exploring one of the best inexpensive options on the market, the Fransiton Black Waterfall Bathroom Faucet. If you're in the market for a new bathroom faucet that combines style, functionality, and affordability, then you're in the right place. The Fransiton Black Waterfall Bathroom Faucet is a standout choice for those looking to upgrade their bathroom without breaking the bank. Let's talk about what sets this faucet apart from the competition. First off, installation is a breeze. With its easy-to-follow instructions and included hardware, you'll have this faucet up and running in no time. But what really makes this faucet shine is its sleek and modern design. The matte black finish adds a touch of sophistication to any bathroom space, while the waterfall spout delivers a gentle stream of water that's as visually stunning as it is functional. Plus, with its single-handle design, controlling water temperature and flow is effortless. And don't worry about compatibility. Whether you have a 1- or 3-hole installation, this faucet has you covered. But perhaps the best part of all is the value you're getting for your money. At just a fraction of the cost of other high-end faucets on the market. The Fransiton Black Waterfall Bathroom Faucet proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality for affordability. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the performance, ease of installation, and overall quality of this faucet. With thousands of satisfied customers, it's clear that the Fransiton Black Waterfall Bathroom Faucet is a winner. So whether you're renovating your bathroom or simply looking to upgrade your current fixtures, consider the Fransiton Black Waterfall Bathroom Faucet for a stylish and budget-friendly option that won't disappoint. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy shopping!